Welcome back. In this video, we are going to configure Entity Framework Core and DB Context class in our clean architecture project using .NET Core and VS Code. So first we need to verify that we have get Gradle package installed in VS Code. If not, please go and install extension. So I have already the get package. So if not, please install this. Okay, close this one. Now focus on NuGet view. So we need to install first Microsoft Entity Framework Core in our infrastructure project, and please make sure you need to select 9 version. So anyone use 9, should be a 9. Okay, so 9 and install. Okay, the API project is our main entry point, so we also need to install the Microsoft Entity Framework.Core.Design in our API layer, and please make sure select 9 version, and then after that need to install. This package provides design time tools for run migration and update the database using the CLI. So for this video, I am using SQLite just for learning purpose. To set it up, we will install the Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Sqlite package in our infrastructure project. Okay, install this in an infrastructure layer, and there's a 10.0 preview. We don't need to install preview version, just uncheck this, and then it will give you the 9.6, the latest one, and then go to the infrastructure install. If you want me to show how to configure SQL Server instead, let me know in the comment. I will make a separate video for that, so where we can configure the SQL Server. But right now, SQLite. Okay, so close this one, open this, remove this. Now we create a class infrastructure, name application DB, and drive with DB context. Okay, and then we need to create a DB set. Name is DB set, pass into product, and name is products. DB set is created. Now DB set represent a table in the database which perform the queries and operation through the code. So let's next we need to specify the DB context in a program file. Path your context class, and we are going to specify the namespace, and here we are using SQL Server. Change it to .SQLite because we are using the SQLite. Now it is save. So we specify the option here. We also specify the option inside the DB context class. So just go here and DB context. Use the primary constructor, DB context option, and pass to the field. Okay, Okay, next, so fill the solution. Will take time. Alright, so our entity framework setup is now complete. In the next video, we will create the connection string and run our first migration to generate the database. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next video.